Hello, Super Seekers. I'm Respect Robin, and I'm here to show you how to access our amazing games room. Step 1. Redeem your relics using your quest card or weekly bonus challenge in your student handbook. Step 2. Get your tokens. These are your game currency for most game machines. The machines do not work with other coins. Step 3. Wear your games room lanyard. Only 20 seekers are allowed inside at a time. Step 4. Pick your favorite. Try foosball, naughty beans, basketball, air hockey, multi-game arcade, or table tennis. Play fair and have fun. When your tokens run out, please leave the games room and return your lanyard so that other seekers can enter the room. Yes, you can share your tokens with friends. Yes, you can enter without tokens, but you can only play table tennis or foosball. Please give priority to seekers with tokens. When you're done, let others have a turn. Remember, be gentle with the game machines. Be kind to the other players. Report to the hall on time. Respect the prefects on duty. Follow these steps and you'll be ready for a fun, fair, and respectful games room adventure.